Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to configure OPC UA Client. To know more about OPC UA Client, navigate to Process Manager window. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon, search LT OPC UA Client. Click on Open. Click on Save and Close. Right-click on selected process and click on Restart the selected process. Now, navigate to IDE window. Go to System, Driver, OPC UA Client. Click on plus icon and enter the device name. Under Connection tab, user can configure the URL of the server under Server URL. By default, the value will be opc.tcp localhost 4840. Under Authentication tab, user can configure the username and password to access the server required for communication using username and password field. Under the Security tab, in the Policy field, users can define the security policy required to access the server for communication. By default, this policy is set to None. Under Message Mode field, user can configure the message mode to access the server required for communication. By default, the mode would be None. User can click the button to browse the item list using Browse Server. User can check the box to enable the status of the server using Enable Server tab. By default, the box will not have any check. Under Subscription tab, in the Create Subscription field, you can select the subscription and after selection of a subscription, its details are displayed. Under Enable Subscription field, user can check the box to enable the subscription. By default, the box will not have any check. Using Publish Time Interval, user can configure the time interval for reading the information. Under Alarm Class tab, in the Number of Security Levels field, user can set the security levels. By default it is 1. User can select the range from and to for Alarm Class. From the drop-down, user can select Alarm Class. By default it is OPC UA Information. Under History Fetch tab, user can select from time and to time to fetch historical data by using Fetch Data button. By clicking this Save icon will save all the details. By clicking Exit icon will discard any changes made and closes the screen. Open the tag editor. Choose the desired tag. Right-click on chosen tag, right-click on it, insert config and channel setting. Under Channel Settings tab, Server Name drop-down menu displays all the created servers. This is a combo box field where you can select the server. By default, the value will be set to Sample Server. Subscription Name drop-down menu displays all the created subscription. This is a combo box field where you can select the subscription. By default, the value will be set to Subscription 1. Under Item Name field, item of selected server can be found on click of Fetch Items button. Fetch Item button will open a new window item list which will display all the items of selected server. Under Telegram Direction field, user can select the direction of communication under this section. There are two types of direction, read and write. Read is always selected by default. A/B comparison option, if enabled, will allow information only which are not same as that of previous information. By default the option is deselected. User can check Enable box to enable the communication. By default the box will not have any check. Clicking Save icon will save the changes made in IDE. Clicking Exit icon will discard any changes made and will close the screen. That's all about OPC UA Client configuration.
Thank you for watching.